Hi, welcome to lesson 2. In our lesson 1 we learned a very simple chord called the C chord. Do you remember where we counted across? 1, 2, 3, and we used our third finger on the very bottom string to create C chord. Today we're going to do another very simple chord called C7, which is on the same string, the A string, but it uses the first finger, so we just place our first finger on the first fret on the bottom string, and it should sound like this. So now we have C chord, which is here, and C7 chord, which is here. So we can play between the two. So what we'll do is we'll start on C chord and we'll just try strumming 8 strums together, and then we will swap to our first finger onto the C7 chord. Shall we do it together? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swap. Swap. They sound really similar, don't they? Okay, the next chord we're going to learn, because that's very easy, is called F chord. And we need to place our first finger on the first fret on the second string up. So this is E string here. So we're going to place our first finger there. We're going to place our second finger on the very top string. So this is the 4th string on the 2nd fret. Can you see? So our first finger is here, our second finger is here. And it should sound like this. So we're just going to practice this one together. Make sure your thumb is right at the back behind, that's very important, and you have to twist your wrist right round and make sure that you don't actually put any of your fingers or hands on any of the other strings, because that will change the sound of your chord. So we need to make sure that those fingers are pressed down, and if you use the ends of your fingers, you can see I've got lines in my fingers already. So we need to press down quite hard and make sure that none of the other strings are being touched by our hand or fingers, so we get that nice clear chord sound. So we're just going to practice a little bit of strumming, and we can sing. Frere shaka, frere shaka, do me vu, do me vu, sonny levantina, sonny levantina, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Frere shaka, frere shaka, do me vu, sonny levantina, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. How are you doing? So we're going to practice our very first song now. And we're going to practice something called Clementine, which I'm sure you'll know. And this uses the F chord and also the C7 chord. So all we're going to do is we're going to practice switching between F and C7. And what I do is I roll my finger. I roll it down, and then I twist my wrist and I roll it back up again, and I twist it back down, and I roll it up and twist back down. So we're going to practice 8 strums on F, And then we're going to roll down onto D7 and do 8 on there too. And we'll do it nice and slowly to start with, and then we'll twist back and go back again. Do you think you can do it? I think you can. Are you ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.